that we have thanked Suez Canal enough, but I just want to tell you why this is emotional for me. It has nothing to do actually with the Joint Master itself. It has a lot to do with this room that we're in, because this is, I was just telling them, this is the first room I ever heard the word medical education in. We were invited for a workshop by Professor Wagdy Talaat, and during that workshop, I heard the word medical education, and I had no idea what that meant, but it meant for me that I had to understand more. And then I went and I saw the students of Suez Canal University, and then I felt very jealous, as I always do, and I felt so jealous that my students cannot have the same as the students of Suez Canal Faculty of Medicine. And I started working towards that since then. And since then, I have become Dr. Wagdy's daughter, and I learn from him on the phone every day for an hour and a half, more than I learned even in any opportunities for learning. And this for me is, I mean, it's a sign that today I'm here, I'm graduating after I actually graduated, I think 10 years ago. I graduated from the Joint Master 10 years ago. After I took the flyer from Dr. Wagdy here, he was standing here and he gave me the Joint Master flyer. I took it from him and I applied the same day and I was accepted and I was the happiest person on earth, and then my life changed. It changed totally, as it will for all of you, of course. And ever since then, I've been thinking outside my body. I've been thinking more about what's next. What do you do with information? And what do you do after you learn that the world is not just what we knew it to be before? And I understood that there are so many possibilities and you can do anything. I learned this actually in the Joint Master. I learned in the Joint Masters, I learned that I can plan for myself, I can educate myself, and I can look for opportunities for myself. And I was given here in the Joint Masters the tools that I have been referring to for the past 10 years of my life. And if Professor Wagdy said that it was my effort that brought the regional favor to Egypt, that's, I would love to take the credit, but that's not entirely true. It was the effort of all the Joint Master graduates in Egypt that are actually functional inside their universities at the moment, and that we are shaking hands with every morning in order to bring more impact to the societies that we live in. And of course, the effort of Professor Wagdy, who is actually a global faculty at Famer Institute in Philadelphia, and without his devotion to this project, it would never have come to life. Never, never. And I say this with I'm taking full responsibility for it. So I'm doing this effort that we actually dreamt of together in the Joint Masters, and hope that after 14 years, we can celebrate that it is successful, half the success of the Joint Masters, and I will settle for half. So congratulations on being here today, and I want to congratulate myself for being awarded the first very important award in my life, because it's coming from Professor Dr. Wagdy from Suez Canal University. And I've been awarded all my life awards that Suez Canal was the reason for. So to get this award today, I'm very happy, and hopefully we will collaborate more in the future. Thank you so much.